Do you really need expensive upgrades to make your Suzuki faster? Or are you simply not using the performance it already has? Most riders believe horsepower is the key to speed, but real-world performance is about efficiency, control, and precision. Your Suzuki engine is already engineered for strong mid-range torque and responsive acceleration. The difference comes from how you use it. Let's start with temperature. An engine that is not properly warmed up will never perform at its best. Cold oil creates more friction. Fuel does not atomize as efficiently. Internal tolerances are tighter. All of this reduces responsiveness. Start your Suzuki and let idle stabilize. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds. Then ride gently, keeping RPM moderate until the temperature gauge begins to rise. Do not rev aggressively while stationary. Movement under light load warms the engine faster and more evenly. Now focus on throttle control. Performance improves when throttle input is progressive. Most riders twist too quickly. That sudden input causes abrupt fuel delivery and unsettles the chassis. Instead, roll the throttle open smoothly. Let the tachometer climb in a controlled arc. This keeps traction stable and allows the engine to deliver power efficiently. Another simple improvement is chain adjustment. A chain that is too tight creates resistance and reduces smooth acceleration. A chain that is too loose wastes energy and affects throttle response. Check your owner's manual for correct slack and maintain proper lubrication. A well-adjusted chain improves drivetrain efficiency immediately. Tire pressure also plays a major role. Incorrect pressure increases rolling resistance and reduces stability. Properly inflated tires improve grip, acceleration, and handling precision. Check pressures when tires are cold and adjust according to manufacturer specifications. Small details create noticeable gains. Clean air filter, proper chain tension, correct tire pressure, warm engine. None of these require a workshop, yet together, they transform how your Suzuki feels. Performance is not always about adding power. Sometimes it is about removing inefficiency. In Part 2, we will focus on acceleration technique and how to use RPM intelligently for stronger real-world performance.
Acceleration is not about twisting the throttle as fast as possible. It is about timing and control. Suzuki engines produce their strongest usable torque in the mid-range. That means you do not need to reach redline to accelerate quickly. In fact, shifting too late can slow you down in real-world riding. Watch the tachometer carefully. When the engine is warm, roll on the throttle progressively and let RPM rise through the torque band. On many Suzuki models, this is between 5,000 and 8,000 revolutions per minute, depending on displacement. Feel the engine pull smoothly rather than aggressively. Smooth acceleration keeps weight balanced between front and rear suspension. Abrupt throttle input unloads the front end and reduces stability. Controlled input keeps traction consistent and allows faster forward movement. Another improvement without spending money is clutch control. If you release the clutch too quickly during takeoff, the engine bogs or the bike jerks. If you release it progressively while adding smooth throttle, you maximize torque transfer. Practice controlled launches in a safe area. Smooth engagement improves both performance and component longevity. Gear selection matters as well. Do not ride at excessively low RPM in high gear. This forces the engine to work harder and reduces responsiveness. Downshift when needed to keep the engine in its efficient power range. A responsive engine feels stronger even without additional horsepower. Body position also influences acceleration. Leaning slightly forward during strong acceleration improves front-end stability. Keep arms relaxed and allow the bike to move naturally beneath you. Tension reduces precision. Real performance comes from technique. A well-ridden Suzuki will outperform a poorly ridden modified one. In Part 3, we will look at reducing resistance and maximizing mechanical efficiency without replacing parts. Improving
True performance is consistency. A Suzuki engine performs best when treated with mechanical awareness. Warm it properly. Accelerate progressively. Keep RPM within the effective torque band. Maintain chain, tires, and airflow. But performance is not only mechanical, it is strategic. Anticipation is one of the most powerful tools you have. Look far ahead while riding. Read traffic flow. Prepare acceleration before you need it. Downshift before entering a curve if you plan to exit quickly. Keep the engine ready instead of reacting late. Late reactions create abrupt throttle movements. Abrupt inputs reduce efficiency and stability. Highway merging is a perfect example. With a warm engine, select the proper gear before the ramp straightens. Roll on the throttle smoothly and let RPM rise steadily through the torque band. Avoid sudden panic acceleration at the last second. Controlled buildup creates faster, safer entry into traffic. Cruising RPM also affects long-term performance. Holding extremely high RPM constantly increases wear and fuel consumption. Riding too low in high gear stresses internal components and reduces responsiveness. Find balance. Let the engine operate where it feels smooth and elastic. Another key factor is smooth deceleration. Abrupt engine braking can unsettle the chassis and stress the drivetrain. Instead, close the throttle progressively and downshift smoothly with proper rev matching. This keeps the bike stable and reduces mechanical shock. Body position influences performance as well. Keep your upper body relaxed. Grip the tank lightly with your knees. Tension in your arms translates into instability at the handlebars. A relaxed rider allows the suspension to work correctly and keeps acceleration more controlled. Consistency over time creates measurable results. Lower fuel consumption, reduced chain wear, smoother gear engagement, more predictable throttle response. Performance without a workshop is absolutely possible. Because your Suzuki was already engineered for strength and efficiency. Most riders search for horsepower. Few riders master technique. When maintenance is correct and riding strategy is intelligent, the motorcycle feels stronger, more precise, and more connected. You are not unlocking hidden horsepower. You are unlocking hidden efficiency, and efficiency is real performance. Ride smooth, ride aware, ride with intention. It's free for you, but it makes a difference for me. Subscribe to the channel.